In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut out part of a video in CapCut Desktop for free, step by step, so you can remove mistakes, trim awkward pauses, or delete any section you do not want to keep. This is one of the most useful editing skills for beginners, and once you learn it, you'll be able to clean up your videos much faster and make them look a lot more professional. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and let's jump right into it. First, open your CapCut Desktop project and import the video you want to edit if it is not already in your media library. Once your clip is ready, drag it down into the main track of the timeline. This places the video where you can start making edits. If you want to be more precise, use the zoom slider in the top right corner of the timeline panel, or press the plus key on your keyboard to zoom in. Zooming in is really helpful because it lets you see the clip more clearly and make frame-by-frame cuts with much better accuracy. Now that your clip is on the timeline, the next step is to find the exact point where the unwanted part begins. Click and drag the playhead, which is the vertical line on the timeline, until it reaches the frame where you want the cut to start. Take your time here, because the more accurate this point is, the cleaner your final edit will look. If you are removing a mistake, a pause, or a section in the middle of the clip, this is the point where that section begins. Once the playhead is in the right place, you need to split the video. You can do that by clicking the split icon on the timeline toolbar, which looks like two overlapping brackets. Or you can use the shortcut Ctrl+B on Windows or Command+B on Mac. As soon as you do this, your video will be separated into two parts at that exact frame. This is important because now you have created the first cut point. Next, move the playhead further along the timeline to the exact frame where the unwanted section ends. Again, zoom in if you need more precision. When you reach the end of the part you want to remove, use the split button again, or press Ctrl+B on Windows or Command+B on Mac. This creates a second cut point and isolates the unwanted section in the middle. At this stage, your video should be divided into three pieces if you are removing a section from the middle: the part before the unwanted clip itself, and the part after it. Now click directly on the isolated middle clip so it becomes highlighted. This tells CapCut that this is the section you want to remove. Once it is selected, press the Delete key or the Backspace key on your keyboard. You can also click the trash can icon on the toolbar if you prefer using your mouse. CapCut will remove that part of the video, and the remaining clips will stay on the timeline. If you want the timeline to close the gap automatically, CapCut will usually bring the remaining clips together so there is no empty space left behind. That makes the edit seamless and keeps your video flowing smoothly. If you are cutting out something from the beginning or the end, instead of the middle, the process is even easier because you only need one split point and then delete the unwanted section. Let's quickly recap. First, drag your video into the timeline, then zoom in for accuracy. Next, move the playhead to the start of the section you want to remove and split it. After that, move the playhead to the end of the unwanted section and split it again. Finally, select the middle clip and delete it. That is how you cut out part of a video in CapCut Desktop for free. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next easy CapCut editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.